Pencil it in, understanding the phrase. Hello, learners. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind the common English phrase, pencil it in. If you've heard this phrase before and wondered what it means, you're in the right place. Let's get started. When someone says, pencil it in, they are referring to the action of tentatively adding an event or an appointment to their calendar. Unlike writing in pen, which would imply permanence, penciling something in suggests that the event could be changed or moved if necessary. The phrase, pencil it in, originates from the times when people kept physical diaries or calendars. If they were unsure about an event, they would write it in pencil so it could be easily erased or altered later. This phrase has carried over into our digital age, retaining its original meaning. You might use this phrase in a business setting or in personal planning. For example, if someone proposes a meeting and you're uncertain about your availability, you might respond, "Let's pencil in the meeting for Tuesday, and I'll confirm by Monday." To better understand, let's look at some examples. I'm not sure if I can make it to dinner, but go ahead and pencil it in for 7 p.m. The project deadline is tentative, so pencil it in for the end of the month. And that's a wrap on pencil it in. Next time you hear or use this phrase, you'll know exactly what it implies, a flexible plan. Thanks for joining us, and we hope this video has been enlightening. Keep practicing, and you'll become proficient in no time.